Hi everyone, Rob Doherty with Overland Gear Guy, and thanks for Waypoint Overland for coming out and checking the stuff out. We'll go over just a couple of products. We have literally hundreds of products online, and you can go check those out, overlandgearguy.com. Our new products drop usually on Instagram, so Overland Gear Guy there. But some of the stuff that sets us apart is just the quality of workmanship. People come up all the time and it's like, oh, I can buy this on Amazon for 40 bucks, 50 bucks, or whatever. Well, first of all, you can't get nothing like this. It holds two laptop pouches, one there, a tablet pouch, Kleenexes, stuff like that, built in the quality that this is. Lifetime warranty on everything that we make. And you might say, oh, big deal, that don't mean much nowadays. Well, I've been around 31 years, so making stuff like this. So lifetime warranty is a long time. It's just not fly-by-night stuff like that. The other thing is customization. So for some reason you wanted this Kleenex pouch on this side, and you didn't need this pocket, you wanted something else here, we can do that too. It's all custom done, and again, North Salt Lake, Utah is where we're out of. So built to last, American made, and we got like 29 colors to choose from, so there's that. This is just a different version. It looks similar, but it doesn't have the laptop sleeves in it like that, or the Kleenex pocket. Another thing, we have about 8 different models of utensil organizers, some vertical, some horizontal like this. We got some really long ones, but again, they can be custom made. These all roll up, so you put all your gear in there, roll it up, and then you're good to go. Again, like 29 colors to choose from. And if you had a unique space, a lot of these people with overland trailers and stuff, they'll put them on there, and it got a limited space or an unusual space, and so we can custom make them just to fit those spaces. Another thing that's super popular is our Atlas pouches. It can be great for laptops as well, but you can get 6 of the Rand McNally Atlases in one of these, plus there's outside zipper pockets for different things like that. Again, comes in a multitude of colors. And then over here, we got the headrest trash bags, but you can put this on anything. It doesn't have to be a headrest. Anything with a handle that you can, put this over or through. We got the mediums, the small, the larges down there, and then we jump up to the mesh laundry bags. So you can't be out here unless you're gonna have to put that laundry somewhere, and putting it like in the food drawer, probably not the best thing. So they have a dedicated laundry bag pouch there for those, and mediums and larges. Okay, and then we got the spare tire trash bag. We also make the same bag that goes on a ladder and a tailgate. So those of you with trucks and stuff like that, we make a tailgate adapter that you can put these on. And you may look at the price and just like get sticker shock, but you buy this one time. So let me just show you real quick. The liner, just the liner of this bag, is more durable than most of the other trash bags, similar trash bags out on the market. But the vinyl is the key here. It's not going to fade. So you look at most of the ones that are out there, the most popular ones, they're fading within a couple months of like Arizona, stuff like that. So this is made out of a heavy-duty vinyl that's not going to fade out and stuff like that. It's got a drain hole down here on the bottom, so if you get stuff in there. This is our version 2, so it's got the zipper top like that. The other one just had kind of a Velcro pulled together top, and then it also had Molly on the front here. But so there's that. Again, you get what you pay for. You can buy, one of the other kinds once a year if you're lucky, if you get through a year, or buy it one time. So buy once, cry once.
I'm a good example of that. I bought the other brand, and it's gray, and when I purchased it was black.
Yep. Yeah, they turn gray and then they kind of turn purple, but I've had the one on the back of the van there for 2.5 years. It's still gray as the day I put it on there. So.